Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Sangeet. Eighth generation musician. And the second generation of Basant is in the audience. Professor Mathur is there, Basant's stead. Thank you so much.
Next generation is also here.
Watch out. It's a real good opportunity now to listen from Phil Goff. Phil's provided New Zealand with his services since 1981 in various capacities as Minister and as Leader of Opposition. And he's going to come very near dear to us. He's standing for the open air. And I was quietly whispered, I don't think you need this, but Pandit Tiwari said, if you need the prayers, he's ready. He said that about 2 or 3 times. So please, Phil, if you'd like to come forward. Meanwhile, we'll get the stage ready here for our next item, which is going to be Ratna Venkat's item. Thank you, Phil.
Thank you very much, Mike. And since Acharya's prayers worked for Mahesh, I think I should ask for the same prayers for me for the Merrildy. Thank you very much. Look, firstly, I want to say that we have heard from 2 incredibly talented musicians tonight. You know, I said to Sari Kaushal sitting next to me, these guys have played together for a long time, have they? And he said, no, I think it's probably the first time. I thought they were brothers. They played so well together, the harmony and how they came together. Congratulations to Sangeet and to Basant. Sangeet, very welcome for you and your mum to New Zealand. We're incredibly privileged to have you here. And when you said that you got your instrument through the customs without any problem, you know why that was? You never played it. If you had played that, the customs official would not believe that this was a 100-year-old inanimate object. He would have looked at that and said, no, that's got emotion, it's got soul, it speaks to us. And he probably would have confiscated it. But I'm glad he didn't, because we've been incredibly privileged to listen to you tonight. And 8 generations from Varanasi, a place that I have always wanted to go, and you make me want to go there even more. It's fantastic to have you here, and 40 days in Australia. Now that's a huge sacrifice to make just to come to New Zealand, but you're very welcome in New Zealand, and I know that you'll be widely applauded as you play your music around our country, and we hope that while this is your first visit, it won't be your last. Acharya, can I just say to you, thank you very much for making all of this possible. I think it was 2 years ago that I was at the launching of your book, and you said at that stage, it's in Hindi, Phil, so it's no use to you. And you promised you were going to do a version in English, and I think that version is soon to come. So I look forward to your good works. Thank you very much for your contribution to the community. Thank you to all of the audience here. I'm not going to hold you up tonight, and I have to leave, unfortunately. I should acknowledge my colleagues, Pamjit and Mahesh, and Kanwaljit, who's had to get away. But I think we've all been very fortunate this evening in hearing the quality of the music. And it's the first time that I have heard the sarangi played. I hope it won't be the last time, because it's a beautiful instrument. Thank you so much, and thank you for having me here tonight. Cheers.
Thank you, Phil. Yes, indeed, Phil, the English version of the book has arrived. In fact, literally as you speak, it was handed to Panditji tonight. It went to editing to a professor we know in Melbourne, and it's catching the ears of the young ones, and that's why it was circulated to the young ones to see and feel what they say about the book. And it's been edited, and it came by courier yesterday and given to Panditji today. So 2-3 months, we should see a launch of it. Ladies and gentlemen, the next item is by Ratna Venkat. Indian classical dancer trained in Bharatanatyam, I better get this word right, Kuchipudi and Kathak. Performed in New Zealand and overseas, and some of them include Mother Teresa Interfaith Committee, Asia Pacific Culture Day in Taiwan. She has also collaborated with various musicians and presented fusion shows, including the recent, and I think Bhasan would agree with that, the Sangam Fusion with Rakesh Chaurasia last month. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Venkat, for Ratna Venkat. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. When I say the word Sangeet, most of us know in an instant that this means music. You may consider music to be merely vocal or instrumental. However, as Pandit Acharya Tiwari mentioned before, the Sanskrit word Sangeet also includes dance as part of its family. Geetam Vadyam Tata Nrityam Sangeetam Trivedam Smritam. Therefore, it is said that the three types of music are vocal, instrumental, and dance. Not only does the Sarangi Maestro here share the same name, but you will also hear and witness all the three types that Sangeet offers in this show. No pun intended. With the blessings of my Guru and my accompanying artists, I present you Kathak to the beats of Tabla by Akhilesh Madhur, backed by the melody of Sarangi, bringing back the glory of the past, when Kathak performances were accompanied not by harmonium that is used today, but by Sarangi. Beginning with a traditional Paran Ahmed Jodi, which is essentially a balance between masculine and feminine energies. Tandav and Lasya, strength and grace go hand in hand. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dha, kridhin, kridhin, dhin, dha, dha, kridhin, dinna, kridhin, dhin, dhara, kridhin, kridhin, dinna. Tete kata gadi gana, tete kata gadi gana, dha, 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 dunda, dha, ge, di, ge, da, da, dinna, ditta, grida, da, da, dunga, da, kita, da, da. Tete kata gadi gana, tha, de, a, de, next segment is called Tukras, short pieces that showcase the technical and expressional aspects of Kathak. The first three are all about the pure beauty of the dance, reciting the syllables first and then completing them with crisp movements and fast spins. Dha thin thin dha dha thin thin dha tin tin da tik da tin tin da tik da tik tik da tik tik da tik tik da tik da tik da tik tik one tik da tik tik two tik da tik da tik tik 1 2 3 tik da tik da tik tik da tik da tik tik da tik da tik da tik tik eight tik da tik da tik tik two tik da tik da tik eight do तीन tik da 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 tik tik one tik da tik da tik two tik da tik da tik tik one. This is also a chakradar, repeated 3 times, totaling 30 spins.
Five, 6, 7, 8, 9,
The next 3 tukras will now showcase the expressional side of Kathak. The first one describes the act of hitting a water pot with a pebble. In Hindu mythology, Lord Krishna, as a child, played many pranks on gopis, young maidens who would carry earthen pots of water on their heads. He would pick up a stone by the riverbank, throw it at her pot, which of course will break, and the water drenches her clothes. Tigida digidikithe, krandha, 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 tadha, tigida digidikithe, krandha, 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 tadha. Naturally, she gets upset. But Lord Krishna, as usual, escapes from the scene. The next one is a playful conversation between husband and wife. Just listen to how the voice changes, how the wife approaches her husband so lovingly. And the husband's reply is so rude. Please, don't disturb me. I have so much work to do. But again, the wife says, it's getting late. Come, let's have our dinner now. No, I am very busy now. I shall have my dinner later on. A banter between husband and wife. Sound familiar?
But ask husbands. Sometimes it happens the other way. They will all agree with me.
Take a look. The last tukra is a little serious as it features the fight between life and death in the wild. The fight between a lion and a deer. In this particular tukra, we borrow syllables from the tabla, which are different from dance. Dhir-dhir-dha, 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 dhir-dhir-dha. The lion spots a deer and takes position. Meanwhile, the deer notices the lion and tries to move away. Taran ki taraf tigidha, taran ki taraf tigidha, taran ki taraf tigidha. Now the lion leaps into action and runs after the deer. Dhir-dhir-dha, 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 dhir-dhir-dha. The deer then jumps high and tries to escape. Tarangi taragdhirgdha, tarangi taragdhirgdha, tarangi taragdhirgdha. A duel between lion and deer, शेर और हिरन की लड़ाई। In the next segment, we are introduced to takkar, which means footwork. The way in which we move our feet and shake our ankle bells is the highlight of a Kathak performance, which means I can finally contribute as a musician. The first part is footwork to the beats of the tabla, followed by a jugalbandi, a question and answer session between footwork and sarangi. Enjoy.
Thank you.
very well done. And Sangeet ji, this was absolutely brilliant because he hasn't even practiced and he didn't know what the tukras we are playing at all, what the question answer segment is. So, and Sarangi and dance, that was a Ratna's call, but very beautiful. I would like to congratulate. Before we go into break, I would also like to say that